Well, hey guys, this your boy Lonzie Rattler here. I just want to let you guys know, just bought this property here at the foreclosure auction for 500 bucks. I can show you how to flip these properties with no money, just a contract, and go ahead and acquire these properties. Well, so this property here, 3-bedroom, it's a bungalow, one bath. It got a basement, but the basement is partly finished. So come on, let's take a look. That's what I'm gonna do here. What I'm gonna do is just clean it out. Clean up these floors, put some new blinds up, and we're gonna paint the whole property. So it's gonna be just a minor amount of money that I'm gonna put into the property in order just to flip it. It's going back on the market for about $24,000. So these are just little facets that you can use in the real estate to acquire these properties and make you some money today. We step into the dining room area here. Well, there's really not too much that you can do to a dining room. So all we're gonna do is here, like I said, we're gonna get the carpet clean. Gonna paint these walls, take these things down, gonna shine it up a little bit more, just so when a buyer walks through, they don't have to really worry about anything. Let's take a look at the bedrooms. I guess the last previous homeowners, they had a chalk wall. They still had kids living here, so we're gonna leave the chalk wall up and still like just paint all these walls. Same thing what we're gonna do in this bedroom as well. Just put some new trim up, new doors up, new blinds. It'll look like a totally different once you guys see the difference. So this bathroom here, so we're really not gonna make too many modern changes to it. But, however, we will spruce it up, make it look good. All right, so we're standing here in the kitchen. What you guys see is a mess here, but just overlook the mess because whatever that's not broken, we keep it, wash it down, stain it, do whatever we have to do to make it look better than what it is. Probably change out the doorknobs and things of that nature, but the thing about it is you have your rehab, just a small rehab budget, and you don't want to blow it. So just be mindful that the things that you do see, it might not even need fixing. All right, guys, just like I said, so let's go over just a little bit of rehab numbers here. I bought this property here for $500. I'm going to end up putting at least about $1,200 to $1,300 in. So let's just keep all the numbers even. Let's go ahead and say I'm all in $2,000 like with this property. Putting this property here back on the market for $23,000. So if you want to know more about how to invest with using no cash, go ahead and contact me at 248-309-7308 or DM me. All right, guys.